Right now, I am going to see how many potatoes I got out of the new crop. 1 potato, 2 potato, 3 potato, 4,
5 potato, 1 potato,
What
2 potato.
are you doing? Get off of my newly grown potatoes.
She's a bit too overprotective of those potatoes.
Hey, stop bending my gardening skills.
Or gardening skills. So, Mackenzie, what are we making?
Don't act all nicey-nicey. It's not like we're on good terms.
Fine. Hi, Mackenzie. What are we making?
That's better. We are making cacio e pepe gnocchi. Come on, we need the ingredients. What are you waiting for?
Fine. Let's go.
Good.
Ow.
Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. Please make sure to like, follow us on Instagram or Facebook, and
accidentally throw the subscribe.
but we want them to mean it. We want them to subscribe to us.
Oh, then just dab it with the potato.
With the potato?
I guess that's the wrong word. So just tap it.
Great. Now let's get started with making the gnocchi.
Preheat oven to 400 degrees. Poke potatoes all over with a fork and place directly on oven racks. Bake until easily pierced with a knife, but about 1 hour. Let cool slightly.
When potatoes are cool enough to handle, cut in half and scoop out insides. This is only if you have a ricer. If you have a ricer, you can run the potatoes through the ricer or with a fork. If you don't have a ricer, don't cut the potatoes in half and scoop them out. Rather, peel the potatoes and run them along a box grater or another kind of grater like that.
In a bowl, combine rice, potatoes, flour, eggs, salt, and little pepper until dough forms.
Turn dough onto a lightly floured surface and knead until smooth, about 3 minutes.
Divide dough into 4 pieces using your hands. Roll each piece into a long rope, about 3/4 of an inch in diameter. Cut ropes into 1-inch pieces. Place pieces on a lightly floured baking sheet. If dough is too soft to work with at this point, place in freezer for 10 minutes to chill. In a large pot of boiling salted water, cook gnocchi until it floats to the top, about 2 minutes. Reserve ½ cup of pasta water, then drain.
Meanwhile, in a large skillet over medium heat, melt butter. Using a slotted spoon, add cooked gnocchi into the melted butter. Season with several cranks of black pepper. Add Parmesan and Pecorino and toss until melted and pepper is fragrant, about 2 minutes. Add pasta water, a couple tablespoons at a time to help sauce come together as needed. Serve warm with more Parmesan.
Now let's eat it!
All right, everybody, it's time to try it. This is probably one of the most, I don't know if it was necessarily difficult, it was just kind of scary. So, because we weren't sure if it was gonna work, so we're gonna see what it tastes like. But it did rise and everything, so that is very good. Okay.
I mean, it still appears to be solid, so.
Yeah. You can top it with Pecorino or Parmesan that we have here.
Okay, you ready?
3, 2, 1. That's really good. Here, let's take another break.
Mm.
Oh, it's really hot. It's so good.
Right.
So what do you think we could change?
Maybe, honestly, I feel like there should be more sauce.
Yeah, I think,
There could definitely be more sauce.
yeah, like more cheese, I think just more seasonings in general, but it's really, really good.
And they're just bland-ish.
A little bit, yeah. But it's super good. We hope you try it at home.
And even if you don't make the sauce, the gnocchi itself is quite good. So you could just like get a homemade or pizza sauce or whatever. Put that
yeah, so we hope you try it and tag us on Instagram and Facebook. And yeah, see you next time. Bye.